Satna. So good morning YouTube family. So today I would like to show you Mr. John's garden. So today we collect the gourds for cooking a hot pot with mud crab. This one. So we ready? We just bought from the market, but how we grow the gourds. So 3 months after planting, and about 70 days total. 3 months, 70 days. So we have a lot of gourds in the garden like this. Also, you can see chili, not really spicy. So now I will collect gourd. Alright, this one. Cut it off. 2. Alright. So today we have 5 people come for the gourd. Look at this. Okay, right here. So the gourds, they need water for every day, twice a day, in the morning and in the afternoon. So very easy. Look at this. By the way, we show you a little Haiti. Oh man, sorry. Alright, so this is a small one. It's growing bigger. And lines. Very nice. It's coming, guys. Okay, so this is jackfruit tree. This small one, maybe for 2 years more we can have fruit. Okay, so now ready? Go inside the kitchen for cooking. Hello YouTube family. So now in the kitchen, Mr. Picker, one of my friend, he's also a good chef. Now he show to everybody how to cook gourd with mud crab. Look at this. Picker, say something, guys. Nói gì đi? He's handsome. So first you have to cut the gourds off, slice like this. Okay, what Mr. John and one of my friend John, he also learning English. He's a good student.
What you do eating today?
What eating today? Okay, the question is, what we eating today?
Yeah.
What we eating? Gourd and mud crab, cooked by Mr. Picker. Okay, so everybody, we are all living in the island. So because the problem from COVID, that's why we all together. We're very close. Alright, now take off garlic. Look at him. Garlic off. Bang, bang. Wow, that's excellent. anytime when you free, you can visit us. We will cook for you guys all Vietnamese recipes. Alright, now you take the peel off the garlics. Take the skin off. Mr. Picker, he also can speak English. Hello, Picker. Picker. But today, he cannot eat crabs because today is a religion day. He's eat only vegetables, like vegetarian day. But he's a good cook. That's why he cooked for us. Alright, now put in inside. So with oil a little bit and garlic. Okay, the corner. This one for safety. We in our religion we believe it, God is everything. Most Vietnamese we are Buddhism. Okay, what he's doing? He chopped the basil leaves. Stir, make the smell better. Alright, John checking something. John say
này làm hết chưa được? Rồi nó làm sẵn rồi. Làm hết rồi phải không?
Mud crab. Okay, so if you follow our channel, Hiếu Satna, we will show you more activities. Like a few days more, we go to the jungle and we collect the crab. So these kind of crab very easy to get them. Also, Mr. Picker, he can do everything. Oh, shaking. Look at this.
Để cho nó chiếu nó bị sốc.
So everybody, in this moment, because the COVID problem, what are you doing? What are you doing? So we also do nothing. My job used to be a tour guide, but jobless for nearly 2 years. No tourists anymore. I miss my job. This is the flower of banana. So he boiled it and then used as a salad later. We eat with rice. Clean it by cold water. Okay, see you later. We will back in a few minutes. Right, so after a few minutes cooking, so the hot pot with the mud crabs and gourd is ready to serve. It's ready. Okay, so just wait for a few minutes. Okay, and look at the rice. Oh, it's coming. It's ready. So, It's yummy. And then the side dish, we have bitter gourd, also with meat in the middle. Okay. And what's this inside? Oh, it's the oyster. This is oyster cooked with chilies and but it ate already. Today we just have only gourd with mud crabs. Look at this. Mmm. It's yummy. Excellent. Mmm. Beautiful. Thank you, Mr. Picker. Thank you. He's a great chef. Thank you, Mr. Picker. Thank you so much. Hello, Picker. So, hello. He eats only bananas flour today with some sauce because he's praying. How many? Tháng ăn mấy ngày xưa?
Ăn trong 10 ngày.
Hả?
10 ngày.
10 ngày hả? Chia ra làm sao ngày nào thế nào?
18, 19, 14, 15, 18, 28, 29, 30, 1.
Okay, so he pray 10 days a month, no meat, only vegetables, because his religion is Cao Dai. It's a unique religion in Vietnam, founded in 1926. I will tell you more about his religion later, another chapter. But today we serve you guys. So this is oyster, bananas flour, bitter gourd, and the main dish we have mud crab with gourd. Okay, so please enjoy the lunch with us.